Hello, so congratulations on getting your Cigar Oasis Plus 3.0. Today I'll show you how to set it up out of the box. In the box you should have the user manual, the control top, that's got everything in it, the water cartridge, a power adapter, USB cable, and the micro USB power connector and ribbon. So the Plus does not come pre-filled. It's got the water cartridge. It was pre-treated at the factory, but you'll need to fill it up with just distilled water. Distilled water you can buy for just $3 or so at any pharmacy. Distilled, not purified, or filtered water, just straight distilled water. And I have a cup of that right here, and I'm going to do it over some paper towel, and you can just pour it right in through the middle hole, and then just keep going. You'll see it absorb. Keep going till it absorbs. And when you see it stop absorbing more water, you can just turn it over, and if there's any excess water, it will come out. A little bit more, and then it should have some really good weight to it. Pour it out, make sure there's no excess water, and wipe it down. And that's your water cartridge. Now that the water cartridge is filled, we'll connect the control top. An easy way to remember if it's connected correctly is if you have the logo on the cartridge and on the unit control top and the cartridge facing opposite directions, and then you snap it in. You should hear a little snapping sound, and then it's popped in. Once that's connected, you take the power adapter, and then you have the USB cable going in to the power adapter, micro USB into the ribbon connector, and then the ribbon connector will go ahead and plug into the unit, and that will power it on. So I have one here set up. This is in a smaller humidor, probably not the kind of humidor you'll be using the Plus in. But I just want to show you how I think the easiest way is to put the ribbon through the hinge on either side of the humidor, and then snake it through to whichever spot is most convenient in your specific humidor. And then you'll go ahead and power it up by plugging it into there. And it takes a few seconds to power it up. Now with the new ribbon connector, you're going to have a little bit of space so the unit can't go flush with the wall. So what I suggest is just put some cigars on that side so you're not losing any valuable humidor real estate there. And then on the screen, new beautiful LCD display, you'll have the current humidity that it's reading in the humidor or the room, the set point here in the top left corner, and the temperature here in the bottom left corner. Now for the Wi-Fi setup, go ahead and see the other Wi-Fi video. And for calibration, go ahead and see the calibration video. But give it a few days of use in the humidor before gauging if it needs any recalibration. Of course, if you're using a new humidor, you're going to need to season it first, and you can use the unit to season the humidor. Otherwise, use whatever seasoning method you prefer. To adjust the set point, of course, it comes preset to 70% relative humidity out of the box, but if you like it any differently, you can adjust it anywhere from 40 to 90 using the up or down arrows right here. And these are soft touch buttons, so you don't need to press hard at all. Just lightly press, and you can adjust to wherever you like. If you want to adjust the temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius, or from Celsius to Fahrenheit, just hold down on the circle button for about 4 seconds until you see the F or the C blink, and then use the up or down to adjust, and then again to save it, just the circle button for 4 seconds. So again, for the Plus unit, if you're using this in an end humidor or a chest, feel free to place the unit wherever is most convenient for you. So with the standard ribbon that is included, you have about 12 inches, 14 inches of space to adjust where you want to put it. And there will be an option available for a longer 30-inch ribbon cable that you can buy directly from us for those really large chests where you don't have enough room on the ribbon. Otherwise, that's all you need to know about the Plus. Enjoy this beautiful unit. If you have any questions or concern, feel free to call us or check us out on social media, and we'll be sure to get in touch with you. Thank you so much, and enjoy.